Hello everyone, today we are at Pantaloons, Mumbai. This is situated at Hive 67 in Kandivali West. We have installed ESCON indoor escalator. Today we are here to give you the inside story. So when you enter the showroom and when you want to navigate yourself to the first floor, to the men's and the kids wear onto the first floor, our escalator will help you to move yourself vertically. So here we present the escalator. The rise of this particular escalator is 4200 mm and the installation length is 10,900 mm. It has black synthetic material of a handrail provided with skirting of a black stainless steel. The complete escalator, if you see, is of stainless steel finish. The speed of the escalator is 0.5 per meter second. Hope you like the product. We are adding convenience to the showrooms and malls. For more information, visit www.esconelevators.com.